So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on P on your keyboard. We're now going to find print spooler. You want to double click on it. Make sure you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to right click on print spooler and then click on restart. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand print queues. Now you want to find your printer. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for the device installed. And you could also go to your printer's manufacturer website and then download the drivers from there if you haven't already. And now for the last method, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find printer. Click on run. Wait for this to load. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on yes to run the diagnostic scan. And now you just want to follow through all the steps that come up here. See if that fixes your problem. If this did not work right here, you want to scroll down and then click on yes or no, depending on what happened, and then follow through all these steps. Hopefully this will now fix your problem.